We'll continue now with the standard normal probability distribution. From the last video, we were looking at the area between 0 and 1.5 and found that area to be 0.433. To the left of minus 123, we found it to be 0.109. And between 1.5 and minus 123, we found it to be 0.823. And all of this was done using Excel. However, in your book, you have a table for z values and the corresponding probability distribution or probability values. That is called the standard normal probability table, or sometimes it's just called the normal probability table. Now, if you go to the website of the textbook, which should look something like this, you click on the ebook. Then once you're in the ebook, I'm already here on the table, but let me go back to any content here. Okay, so suppose you see chapter 2 or whatever you see on the book content here, you need to look for the end matter content. Okay, open end matter. Then in end matter you have the appendices. You have Appendix A, data sets. Appendix B are the tables. Appendix C are the software commands. You find a lot of Excel commands here. Appendix D, you find the answers to odd number exercises. This is extremely important for you to review and be aware of, because you find the solution to all these exercises. For this video, we're looking at the Appendix B, the normal distribution areas, okay, areas under the normal curve. Click on B3, and here you have it. This is the table. But this table looks at things in a different way. It finds not the cumulative areas as we found in Excel, but the areas between 0 and z. For example, the area between 0 and 1. Let's look at 1 here. 1. Notice it's 0.3413, which is what we found before. What would be the area between 0 and 1.5? Well, let's look at the z value here. 1.5 is 0.4332. And that is what we found here, 0.43319. Okay. Now, what is the area to the left of minus 1.23? What is the area to the left of minus 123, or the lower tail area? Using your table, you have to manipulate this a little bit. Okay. The area to the left of minus 123. If you notice, by symmetry, looking at your table, you can find in your table the area between 0 and 123 directly. Okay. Then once you have that, remember you are interested in the area to the left of minus 123. The area to the left of minus 123, this area here, by symmetry must be exactly equal to the area here to the right of plus 1.23. And all the area to the right of 0 is 0.5. So what would be the area to the right of 123? It'll be 0.5, all the area to the right of 0, and then you subtract the area between 0 and 123. What is the area between 0 and 123? You first identify here on your z value 1.2, and then we need a 1.23. So move to the right until you are under the 0.03 right here. Okay. under 0.03. All right, so 1.2 again, move to the right, and it'll be 0.3907. All right, 0.3907. 0.3907. And if you take 0.5, subtract 0.3907, then you should get 0.109. Okay, pretty close to that. Now, the next exercise is, what is the area between 1.5 and minus 123? Well, using your table, the area between 0 and 1.5 is 0.4332. So you already know that this area is 0.4332. And what is the area between 0 and minus 123? Well, the area between 0 and minus 123 is exactly the same area as the one between 0 and plus 123. And remember that area, let's look at it again, 123, the area is 0.3907. So this one is 0.3907. So what is the area between minus 123 and 1.5? Well, it'll be 0.3907 plus 0.433. Okay, let's look at it. 0.43. Where is it? Okay, here it is. 0.437. 0.4332, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you take 0.4332 and add 0.3907, you should be able to get what we found in Excel, well, pretty close, as 0.8238. Okay, so knowing all these things that we have done so far, you can now calculate all kinds of different areas. All you need to do is practice.